I need to get that one like that one. Yeah, I need to. That was strong. That's crazy, dude. Crazy. Down here too. Down here, that's crazy. That's what I was saying. I got a video on YouTube on this. I'm talking, him and Fred Weiss. Talking this in Mustang, black Mustang. And the guy comes up with the camera, speaks in there. And he's going to go back to him. Get the hell out of here, man. He didn't realize he had a camera with him. So, he saw the camera.